Ready? Start. An urgent need today is democratic decentralization of both political and economic power right up to the grassroots village level. Stop. It is now universally agreed that decentralization has to be taken right up to the district and panchayat levels, but if this is to be achieved, large and unwieldy states should be recognized into smaller and administratively more convenient and viable states. Stop. This has to be the first step towards political decentralization. Stop. This is essential to involve the people more closely and directly in governance and administration. Para. Political and economic power even today is mainly in the states, and unless the states are recognized to meet the regional aspirations of the people, decentralization will be well nigh impossible. Stop. It is an absurd incongruity to have a state at one end with 140 million population and at the other with just 3 lakh population. Para. The administrative system of civil services also needs to be restructured. Except for national interested services, all services like police, revenue, health, education, engineering, agriculture, etc. must come under the states, and these services should also become hereafter developmental services, and the tenure should be contractual depending upon performance and accountability. Today there is unnecessary proliferation of non-planned and non-developmental services under the new economic and administrative system. All developmental activities should be relegated to private initiative, and all controls and restrictions by the state should be eliminated. Stop. Only certain infrastructure areas where public investment is unavoidable should be retained as public sector undertakings, but they also must be managed and run on a commercial competitive basis and generate their own surplus for further growth. This will be strictly in keeping with the industrial policy resolution framed by Jawaharlal Nehru. Para. Planning itself must begin at the village and panchayat level, and all these grassroots plans should be duly formulated and documented at the district level under duly constituted Jila Parishads. Para. Land reforms must be given top priority and should be completed in a time-bound manner so that all surplus land is distributed among landless cultivators. Para. Emphasis of decentralized planning should be on setting up agro-based industries in rural areas adjoining the agricultural people. The objective must be to make the rural economy self-reliant in terms of essential day-to-day consumer requirements such as food grains, vegetables, horticulture, edible oils, milk, clothing, smithy and carpentry, leather goods, detergents and soaps, and handicrafts. Housing should also be encouraged